Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got another bad watch face for you all to check out. This one is nice. I like it. The name of it is called Digital Unity. Right now in the AOD mode, you'll be able to see your time and your info at a glance. Don't worry, with no problem. Once the watch face is on, it's definitely unique. It's geared toward fitness. It's a casual, dressed down watch face for everyday wear. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. Once the watch face is on, you're going to get your digital time. You're going to get your analog time, which looks nice. Your digital time is going to be at the top along with your battery info. You got an AM, PM stamp. Depending on what time of day it is, you're going to get your step info all around the board. As you can see, 20,000 steps right over here. And I think I did pretty good today. Calories burned is going to be down at the bottom. So everything you need for fitness is here. You're going to get your data information to the left as well. And I like that you still get the animated seconds. Now, you can't customize this, right? But listen, take a look at the analog hands. I thought they was very stylish, very different, very nice for a casual dress down wear. Now, the watch face is inactive, so check this out. If you want to customize the color theme, you can. Just single tap, and you can change the color to many different colors. Same thing here to change the color of the information. Now, what's weird about this watch face, right, is that it has shortcuts, right? But they're very small, and they're right here in the center, so you got to tap precisely, and then it'll open it up, right? Which is cool. But you got to be able to see it. Other than that, you don't know where you're tapping at. That's probably the only downfall for this watch face. But if you can get past that and you like it for the look, for the design, especially for the time that it gives, then this just might be the watch face for you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this one, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.